In telecoms, cabling management is the be-the-scenes hero to smooth connectivity. Oyi International, Ltd., an innovative Shenzhen company since 2006 as a fiber optic solutions firm, is revolutionizing cabling infrastructure with breakthroughs such as the cable tray drop. This invaluable element optimizes the installation of fiber optic cable FTTH in order to deliver reliable, high-speed networks. With exports to 143 countries and partnerships with 268 clients, Oyi's innovative approach, exemplified by products like the GYFXY drop cable, is shaping the future of global connectivity. This article delves into the critical role of cable tray drops in enhancing cabling efficiency. The Unsung architect. What is a cable tray drop? Cable tray drop is a specific component utilized to route and protect cables when they are being dropped from high-level trays to terminals or terminations. It provides clean, secure cable routing, such as aerial drop wire or FTTH fiber optic cable, from damage caused by bending or weather stress. Cable tray drop products from Oyi complement their GYFXY non-metallic dual-use drop cable, which is applicable for aerial and duct installations by ensuring cable alignment and integrity. Cable tray drops reduce signal loss and maintenance, which makes them valuable in contemporary network planning. Order out of chaos. Advantages of cable tray drops. Cable tray drops established order. In messy cabling systems, cable tray drops avoid tangling and overstretching. That can reduce the speed of fiber optic cable FTTH. Oyi's designs prioritize ease of installation, allowing technicians to route cables like the GYFXY featuring a non-metallic, water-resistant structure through tight spaces without compromising signal quality. These drops also enhance safety by reducing clutter and minimizing risks of cable damage. In high-traffic areas like data centers or industrial sites, their durability ensures long-term reliability, aligning with Oyi's commitment to quality.